Baltimore, Maryland. A landmark church falls victim to an act of God. A lightning strike to the 140-year-old cathedral caused the steeple to erupt in flames. Firefighters try to control the blaze. But for Chief Kevin Cartwright, fighting this fire is more than just a job.
I'm a 10-year member to this church. It was very difficult to separate myself from what was actually taking place because this is a part of me that's literally burning.
The 5-alarm blaze draws 150 firefighters into the fray. And then it happens.
And communication, be advised, we have a collapse.
The flaming spire crumbles from its perch, exploding onto the sidewalk below.
I'm thinking, my God, I pray that no one is nearby or right under where this steeple is falling.
3 firemen are pelted by the raining debris, barely escaping with their lives. Church members watch their house of worship crumble. The loss is almost too much to bear.
It was just like a gut-wrenching, eerie feeling to see this place of healing actually being torn and ripped apart. I mean, it just rips you apart.
Intense effort slowly brings the fire under control. And as the smoke starts to clear, firefighters get their first look at the devastation. The $2 million building is a total loss.
In my 18 years of service in the fire department, I've never experienced a fire, especially a church fire, of this intensity.
The congregants are left with only one thing.
Oh, Jesus!
We don't just praise God when things are going good.
We are hopeful that, the Lord will provide, us to restore what's been lost.
It stood for well over a century. It only took 5 hours to destroy. And now, the people of this beloved church will forever remember their baptism by fire.